Good morning students. Now I am going to start first chapter of geography. The chapter name is India, size and location. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. In location, what is the location of India? Now you can see this India in the world. This figure has given all distance about the India. Next, size. The land mass of India has an area of 3.2. What is the size? In this paragraph has given that what is the size of India's? The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical. And in this figure, it is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. Next, India and the world. The Indian landmass has a center location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has an indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean. This justifies the naming of ocean after it. Since in the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km. And in this figure has given about the extent and standard meridian. In this figure you have to find out where is standard meridian.